after a bath. Here's Fabio. We're still around. Look at all this down. It's so soggy. Look at that. Soggy bird. Soggy bird. He's all wet. Yeah. I had to share because he looks so funny right now. Sunning himself, preening, and being soggy. Like, this is just, if you're wondering what, there's the skin. Look how soggy he is. All his feathers have separated. Yeah. Wow. Stinky bird. Anyway. Happy spring, everyone. He's sure having a good spring. Everyone's having a good spring. Me, Fabio, and everyone else. Yeah.